Now, suppose a student who is previously absent returns to school and decides to take the test, and that student scores a 92. So now you're going to notice that we have 8 values, or an even number of values, in our data set. So to find the 5-number summary, we're going to start off the same way. So we're going to put the values in order from least to greatest. So we have 27, 30, 42, 56, 80, 87, 92, and 99. So this time, so the min is going to stay the same. So that's going to be 27, and the max is going to stay the same as well. So those two values have not changed because the value that I added was not higher than 99. So now what we're going to do is find the median. So when we put the values in order from least to greatest, we'll notice that there are going to be 2 values in the middle this time. So 56 and 80. I'm going to highlight those. Now, how do I find the median if there are 2 numbers in the middle? Well, I'm just going to take the average of both of them. So we're just going to add up 56 and 80. And we get 136, and then we're going to divide that by 2. So just add the 2 numbers in the middle and divide by 2 to get the median if there are an even number of values in the data set. So 136 divided by 2 is going to give me 68 for the median. Now, finding the Q1 is going to be a little bit different from how we found it in the last example. So this time, we're going to divide our data set in half. So I'm going to highlight the first half in green, and then the second half I'm going to highlight in yellow. So to find the Q1, what we're going to do is we're going to find the median of the first half of the data set. So again, we're going to notice that there are 2 values in the middle, so 30 and 42. So we're going to just find the average of those 2 values to get the Q1. So 30 plus 42, and then divided by 2. So when we do 30 plus 42, we get 72. And 72 divided by 2 will give us 36. So 36 is going to be the Q1, or the 25th percentile. So what does that tell us? That tells us that 25% of students in the class scored less than or equal to a 36 on the test. So now we're going to find the Q3, or the upper quartile. So we're going to do the same thing, but with the upper half of the data set. So the 2 values in the middle are 87 and 92. So we're just going to find the average of 87 and 92. So 87 plus 92 gives us 179. So we're going to divide 179 divided by 2, and 179 divided by 2. And when we do that, we're going to get 89.5 for our Q3. So that would be the 75th percentile. So what that means is that 75% of students that are in our data set scored less than or equal to an 89.5 on the test.